In this video, we're going to be putting the bearings and the hubs all back together. Check it out. Alright, so I finished the last video. We were taking out the bearings, and I realized I forgot to show the second set of bearings inside of these hubs. So we're going to get that out there. You can kind of pop it in the back. There we go. Oh boy. See, now look, good thing we did change this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's see here. It's actually pretty... Now these bearings... Let's see if it'll focus on this thing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's try. Hang on a second. These ones are a little bit more rusted. You can see that they were getting rusty inside there. So, good thing we checked these for sure. Shout out to my dad for reminding me to check the bearings. I didn't even think of it, but yeah, any new trailer you get, definitely check those bearings, because that one definitely either needs to be replaced or cleaned. Let's get this one out. I have a feeling this one's gonna, look at this one, you can tell. This one's probably gonna be the same issue. It's pretty rusted in there. I got my Mad Max neighbors out. So while cleaning this one, you can, it's not, a lot of them aren't spinning very freely like the other one that we got out. So yeah, this one's probably not so good. Good thing we checked it. Again, shout out to my dad. Thanks for reminding me. Definitely pretty dirty. You can feel the grit on it. But we got new ones, so we're set. Let me show you guys all the new parts we got. Alright guys, check it out. We've got new hubs. Look how shiny and clean these are. Much better. You know, I'll be honest, I tried ordering this stuff on Amazon, and I don't do this all the time, so instead of getting the wrong stuff, I just went to a local mom and pop trailer supply store. You know, sometimes it's, you know, I think it was a little bit more expensive than I would if I went online to get it, but I have to admit, going to just the mom and pop's shop where they just help me out, give me exactly what I need, it's worth the couple extra bucks, and it helps out your local businesses. So before you go buying everything on Amazon, sure, you can get a lot of it, but you know, check out any local businesses you have. You know, they might have everything you need. And then you don't got to play guesswork and hoping you get the right thing, especially when some of the stuff comes from a third party. All right. Well, they also got us new bearings. We got everything we need in these. And they even gave us these covers, which I'm assuming are y'all. But what I'm thinking is what we'll do is we'll use these bearing buddies that came with the trailer. Let's see if focus there. The bearing buddies that my trailer came with. I'm thinking about yeah, we'll reuse those instead of just the cap. Also, if you're planning on backing your trailer in, a lot of water, or especially salt water, brackish, whatever, go with the galvanized. A lot of the black ones that you see on Amazon and stuff like that, from what the lady at the shop was saying, they're not the best bet, especially if you plan on backing this thing in the water. The trailer originally had galvanized on it, so but yeah, time to put her back together. Really pack in the grease to get all the areas on the bearing. Then generously add more grease. More is better. Really pack it in there. Now try to evenly tap it on. Note to self, do this inner side first next time so I don't knock out the other one. Clean off any grease on the rubber seal.
like to tighten it a little bit more just to make sure it's fully seated in there. Then I back it off and then just hand tighten it. Now just insert the cotter pin, bend it, you're set. Now, I'm adding on my bearing buddies, so I'm going to tap this on evenly. Now I'm going to fill these bearing buddies with grease until they pop out. Now let's get this other one on. You can find more on our kayak trailer build. Links will be in the description, and I also have a playlist. Thanks for watching the video, and my best friend Liberty says don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button.
Are you my best? Oh, I was just gonna say you're my best friend. Yes, I know. We're best friends, right? Look at that big old smile. Best friends forever?